Hello everyone, welcome back to Zara Ki Dunya. In today's video, I'm going to share crispy baby corn Manchurian recipe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. To begin with this, I've taken 500 grams of baby corn cut into four each, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup spring onions, 1 cup maida, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 3 slitted green chilies, 2 tablespoons vinegar, salt as per taste, 2 each medium sized capsicums red and green and 2 medium sized onions, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's move on. Firstly, I'm going to boil these baby corns for about 7 minutes, adding salt in it. Add salt as per taste to the baby corns and let them boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the baby corns are boiled, drain the water and let them cool and let it come to the room temperature. Once the baby corns are back to the room temperature, add half cup of maida and salt as per taste. Add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to it. Add some water and give it a nice mix so that the batter sticks to the baby corns. Add some more maida if needed. Our baby corn batter is ready now. It's time to fry them. We are going to do double fry. So in the first fry, we are going to fry them until medium brown. Fry the baby corns until they are medium brown and take them out. The baby corns are slightly brown, the light brown color, and it's time to take them out of the oil. Repeat the same process with the other batches as well. Add the baby corns that we fried earlier for the second frying batch. Since we are double frying it, we are going to add all at once in the second fry batch. Fry the baby corns until they are slightly dark brown. The baby corns are dark brown now, slightly dark brown. We are going to take them out of the oil. Now it's time to prepare our sauces. To prepare sauces, I am going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. Two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Give it a nice salt. Let it fry until the smell is gone. Now add 3 slitted green chilies, 1 cup of spring onions. Give it a nice mix. Add the onions. Add capsicums to it. Give it a nice mix. And sort the vegetables now. Let the vegetables get cooked so that it does not give that raw sense. Now add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Depends on the taste. 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Give it a nice mix and let the vegetables sort. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and salt as per taste. Since the sauces already have salt, add little sauce as per the taste. And give it a nice mix. Let the sauces cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a nice mix and let the vegetables and sauces toss together. Now it's time to add vinegar to it. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Give it a nice mix so that the vinegar gets mixed with the sauces and the vegetables evenly. Now it's time to add some water. Add 1/4 cup of water and add 1/4 tablespoon of food color. Now it's time to prepare slurry. I have taken 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. I have added the slurry to the mixture that I prepared just now. You can see it has started to give a nice shiny look to my sauce. Now it's time to add honey to it. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Let the mixture cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add our crispy baby corns that we fried and give it a nice mix. It really smells really well. Give it a nice mix and let it toss for about 1 minute. And here is your baby corn Manchurian ready to be served to your guests. And do let me know your comments in the comment section. Do let me know if you liked this video, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.